Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to begin using Binance, starting from account registration all the way to securing it. I've structured this guide so that even complete beginners can follow along without any difficulty. You can find the official sign-up link in the description section below this video. By registering through that link, you'll receive a lifetime 20% discount on your Binance trading fees. I strongly suggest using it so you can take full advantage of these benefits. First, let's go over the process of creating your Binance account. Once you click the link in the description, you'll be directed straight to the Binance registration page. When the page opens, you'll see that the 20% discount has already been applied. You may also notice some additional welcome bonuses displayed on the screen. Next, choose whether you'd like to sign up using your email address or phone number. After entering your details, agree to the terms of service by checking the box. Then, click the Continue button to proceed. A simple image verification puzzle will appear on your screen. Select the images that match the word displayed at the top. Once completed, a verification code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter the code to confirm your account. Now, create a strong password for your account. Make sure it includes at least 8 characters with uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If there's a referral code field, enter SKY333. Using this code will grant you additional account benefits. In addition to the 20% fee discount, you'll also receive extra rewards. So make sure to double-check the code before completing registration. Once all steps are completed, your Binance account will be successfully created. Second, let's go through the KYC verification process. This step is required to fully activate your account for deposits, withdrawals, and trading. Since facial recognition is involved, we'll complete this using a smartphone. Install the Binance app and open it on your phone. Log in using the account you just created. The app will guide you directly to the verification page. Start by selecting your nationality. For this example, we will choose India. Next, choose the type of identification document. In this case, we'll use a passport. Tap the Take Pictures button to begin. Then press Continue to activate the camera. Align your passport within the frame and take a clear photo. Ensure there are no reflections or shadows. The final step is facial verification. Follow the on-screen instructions such as blinking or nodding. After completing this, your submission will be sent for review. Approval usually takes around an hour. You'll be notified once your verification is complete. Third, let's set up Google Authenticator for added security. Go to the Accounts section in the app or website. Then navigate to the security settings. Click on Manage. Select Enable Authenticator app. Enter the verification code sent to you. A QR code will appear on your screen. Install and open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus icon at the bottom right. Choose the option to scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your screen. Once scanned, a rotating 6-digit code will start appearing in the app. Return to the Binance page and click Next. Type in the 6-digit code currently showing in your Google Authenticator app. With that, your two-factor authentication setup is complete. In this video, we covered everything from account creation to verification. I did my best to make each step easy to understand. Your support through likes and subscriptions means a lot. Thank you for watching until the end.